Hello, this is Decimal, and welcome to Table News, your #1 resource for tables. Today I'm going to be talking about the Field Desk, the newest product by Teenage Engineering. Have you heard of modular synth? Great, because this is a modular table. It's made out of recycled aluminum, and it's a table by Teenage Engineering. They made an IKEA table. You got to build it yourself, and it's $1,500. It comes with something called the field rail. It's a field table. They really like the word field. I like the word field. It reminds me of a field. It's fantastic. This is probably the greatest thing I've ever seen. You can make custom made tables. You can get them to make your studio out of these tables. Why don't you buy 6? It could fill up your space, you know. Why buy any Behringer product when you can buy an OP1 field table? I mean, a field table. This is beautiful. It's the most amazing thing I have ever seen. Originally, I wanted a new pocket operator from these guys, but you know what I'm thinking? Actually, I just wanted a field desk. That's it. And for $1,500, let me add this to my cart. $15.99 is a great price, so I'm gonna order it because it's just a beautiful table. I can go to IKEA, but this is just a lot better. I like it. Sweet. But I'm not gonna order one. I'm just gonna, let's see how many I can order. Let's order 25. So 25 tables for over $40K. I think this is a great deal. I'm going to be buying all the tables and reselling them on the black table market. Yes, $40,000, and you get free shipping over $120, so I'm really happy about that. This field desk is probably the greatest investment I've ever can do. So let me just type in my information. I was going to type in my email. Okay. My first name, last name. Alrighty, I just put in the order, and I'll see you guys in a few weeks with all the tables, because you know what? I just had to. This is the greatest product that has ever been built by mankind. Some people think the wheel was important. No, the field table is what's important. All right, this is Decimal, and thank you for watching Table News. Are you getting the OP1 field table? Let me know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.